Hello, this is Chaz McNell with Realty One Group MVP in Southwest Florida in one of my favorite neighborhoods, Huntington Lakes. I love the amenities here, the clubhouse and pool area, and the condos are nice too. This is a 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath, beautiful, nice lake condo. To see this condo, call me anytime at 239-272-4442. I'd love to help you with this and any other properties you're interested in. I grew up here in North Naples and I know the area well. To see all properties in Southwest Florida, go to my website at www.chazmcnell.com. For more information about Huntington Lakes, see our Huntington Lakes community video. This property has full hurricane shutter protection. Beautiful lake view. For additional details, see below. If you like these videos, please like and share. Subscribe to my channel anytime to keep receiving them. Nice big hidden walk-in closet over here as well. If you'd like to see this again, feel free to call me at 239-272-4442. I'd love to put my 28 years of selling real estate in Southwest Florida to work for you.